Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. We are at job site address 3108 Yeoman Avenue in Vancouver, Washington. We just installed a 4-inch ABS cleanout outside the house to the right side of the front door, and we are going to start our video inspection. Transitioning here to 4-inch clay. And here we are at the city main at approximately 42 feet, almost 43 feet. There is a couple root intrusions that are showing up in the line. Nothing too major. I would say this line passes inspection, and this will complete our video inspection.